Alright, so here we have a carrier side discharge right here. This is my first side discharge here. Oh, this just turned off. It was blowing out the other side. It wasn't coming out of this side. I don't know why. Anyways. Let's see. Ah, the fan's spinning in the wrong direction. That's why. And over here we have a Sanyo. Packy. It's a 15, I'll call it a 16th here. It's close enough. It is from 2007, and this is a 2-ton. That's, oh yes, there. That's cold and sweaty. It's just running, obviously. Here's the Sanyo. It might have been running. I don't really know. Anyways. There's the data. I can't really get to the data, but in 2007, carrier side discharge. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out. The picture might not come out as good, so just be aware. Anyways, yeah.